Update of the day, so Tales from the microwave, there it is. Bah, she's cooking me porridge. I've gone for mint cookie cream protein porridge today. Oh. So update as of today, yesterday again, another bit of a challenging day for one reason or another. It's, it's part of the job, innit? But I come positive. We're gonna see what we can achieve today. It's not all roses being in the motor trade. It has good days, it has bad days. So hopefully we've got the two bad days out of the way and we can crack on with a decent day. I'm going to carry on doing my bit, mentoring the boys in the workshop, making sure I can do everything possible to try and negate some of the negatives of the day. You know, if you do take negatives in from one day to the next, it's going to be an horrible end of the week, innit? But yeah, as of yesterday, I got most things done. Everything was diagnosed. I think my gearbox for the car I diagnosed a little bit earlier on, a couple of weeks ago. You'll see the video down there. It was a little clunking noise. That's a failed diff. So I believe that's going to get authorised today. Then I can get the customer on the way with that. Short of that, I'm not totally sure what else is coming in. I've got a couple of software updates to do. If you know, you know. Other than that, I'm in a good place. So guys, let me know your thoughts and feelings and all that good stuff and what you're getting up to down below. Can't wait to hear from you all. See you very soon.